Good morning children. In today's class we are going to learn about reflection of light at plane surface. Now the question is, what is light? Light is a form of energy and it is an electromagnetic waves. Magnetic waves means the waves which are emitted by the source, like sun. From source all rays are coming, that is nothing but electromagnetic waves, you can say. Next is ray of light. Light travels in a straight line, so it is called a ray of light. See, from sun light is coming in straight way. This is nothing but it is called a ray of light. Next, beam of light. A group of rays of light is called a beam of light. See, light will not come in one ray, it comes in a group. That is nothing but a beam of light. And remember children, like sun, light is coming from sun. It comes in this direction. It moves in all direction. That means from a point, light is moving in all direction. It is called diverging. Are you getting my point children? And next is converging. From many sources light is coming and it is meeting at one place. That is nothing but converging light, you can say. Clear children? Now next thing is luminous objects. What is luminous objects? The objects which emitted or create or generate their own light are called luminous objects, like sun, bulb, candle, torch, etc. That means from directly they are giving light. So such objects, they create their own energy. From somewhere else they are not getting, they have their own energy. That is nothing but luminous objects. Now non-luminous objects. The objects which cannot generate their own light are called non-luminous objects, like you can say table, book, chair, mirror, moon, human body. All objects, almost in our surrounding, all objects are non-luminous objects. They can't create their own light. Are you getting my point children? Luminous objects means they can create their own light. You can give the best example is sun. Non-luminous objects means they can't create their own light, like book. They can't create their light, and that's why that will come under non-luminous objects. Then how can we see these non-luminous objects? We are able to see all such objects due to reflection of light. Maybe you observe at night we are able to see the moon. It doesn't have its own light. Because of reflection of light from the sun, we are able to see the moon. Am I clear children? Now what is reflection? Reflection is change in direction of light, is called reflection of light. That means suppose this is surface, you can say this is your mirror. Rays will come and touch the surface and it changes direction. It touches the surface and it changes direction. That is nothing but reflection of light. Am I clear children? Now this light, this is coming, suppose this is coming from the sun. This rays is nothing but it's called incidence ray. Here are you observing children? Here I have taken one surface. From the source the light is coming and touching the surface. This rays is called incidence ray. It touches the surface and it changes direction. This ray is called reflected ray. Am I clear children? And where it's touching the surface, incidence ray is touching the surface. This point is called point of incidence. Am I clear children? Through this point, if I draw a perpendicular line to the surface, through the point of incidence, if we draw a perpendicular line, that is nothing but normal. Normal is an imaginary line children. Clear? This normal and incidence ray make an angle. It is called incident angle. Similarly, this normal and reflected ray make an angle. It is called reflected angle. And always remember children, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. This is called law of reflection. That means if I take this angle is 30 degree, so reflected angle also will be 30 degree. Both will be equal only. It comes, touch the surface and bend in the same angle direction. Suppose first I have taken this angle of incidence as 60 degree. It touch the surface and in 60 degree direction only it will bend. Am I clear children? Now when we are talking about reflection, so what is reflection? Exact definition: the light from the source strike the objects and bounces from its surface, and this light reaches to our eyes, then only we are able to see the objects. Due to reflection of light only we are able to see the object. Now the question is, how can we see ourselves in mirror? Let's see how can we see. I'll explain you. The light from the source strike the human body and get reflected from it, and this reflected light strike the mirror. This light further reflected from the surface of the mirror and reaches to our eyes, then only we are able to see our image in the mirror. Clear, children? Surface is nothing but, you can say your mirror is a surface, your table is a surface, your bench is a surface, your wall is a surface. How it touch the surface and bend, that is nothing but reflection of light. Am I clear, children? In next class we will see the next things. So today's your homework is write and learn the given definition in today's class. Whatever definitions we discuss, you need to learn and write. Clear?